Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us have encountered when working with Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Have you ever applied a filter to your data range, only to find that the sheet returns blank after filtering with an array? It's frustrating. Right in this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this behavior and explore the solutions to get your data displaying correctly again. We'll cover what happens when you use arrays and filters, how Sheets handles these calculations, and some workarounds to ensure that your sheet shows the expected result. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why this issue occurs and how to fix it. So, let's start with the basics. Well, when you apply a filter to a range in Google Sheets or Excel, it uses a specific formula to determine which rows should be displayed. However, things get tricky when we introduce arrays into the mix. An array is essentially a collection of values that can be used in calculation. When you use an array in a filter function, Sheets calculates the result for each value in the array separately. The issue arises because the filter function doesn't know how to handle these multiple results correctly. As a result, it simply returns blank. To better understand this concept, let's consider an analogy. Imagine you have a bunch of boxes with different colored balls inside. Each box represents a row in your sheet, and the balls represent the values in each cell. When you apply a filter, it's like asking someone to pick up only the red balls from all the boxes. However, when using arrays, it's as if you're asking them to pick up multiple colors of balls at once. The person, or in this case the filter function, gets confused and doesn't know which balls to pick, so they just leave everything blank. One solution is to use a helper column that contains the array calculation. This way, the filter can simply look at the values in that column and determine which rows should be displayed. Another workaround involves using an alternative formula structure, such as the filter function in Google Sheets or the autofilter method in Excel. These functions are designed to handle arrays more efficiently and can often resolve the issue. So what's essential to remember from this discussion? First, when using arrays and filters, it's crucial to understand how the calculations are being handled behind the scenes. Second, if you encounter a blank sheet after filtering with an array, don't panic. There are workarounds available. In particular, consider creating a helper column or exploring alternative formula structures that can better handle arrays. By taking these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your data displaying correctly again. That's it for today's video on why Sheets returns blank after filtering with an array. We hope this explanation has helped clarify things for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this content helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on topics related to Google Sheets, Excel, and productivity. We'll see you in the next video.